What's up, squad? Welcome back. If you're new and you want to be part of the fam, be part of the AP squad, hit that subscribe button right down below, the notification bell, because I upload weekly. Just never know really which day. Nursing school has me, all over the damn place. Today, I am coming at you with an I am keto OMAD update. I know, guys, I'm so sorry. It's been a long time and I should have done this sooner. I really should have. I apologize completely. Just came back from my 3.5 mile walk. If you don't already keep up with me, I try to do a long walk every single day. Follow me on my Instagram, and you can have all the updates, the giveaways, and everything. Oh yeah, guys, I'm doing a giveaway. I will link the card up here and put it at the end so that you can know about the giveaway and get in there and get all that you want from it. There's makeup, hair stuff, lounge stuff, very good stuff. I'm just all over the place today. It is midweek finals and I needed to make this video for you guys, okay? So let's go. Tame this hair real quick, and I'm gonna shower. And oh my god, excuse me, of what I eat, what I've been doing to maintain this, to get this, to cut down like this, and I'm still losing because walking and I do weights, and we will get into all that when I get back. Alright guys, back now. Okay, so here's what I do, or have been doing every single week since the last video that I posted. When I was doing that one, I was OMAD, which is 1 meal a day. That started to mess with my sex drive and just my whole attitude and everything, so I stopped doing 1 meal a day. I still fast, I still try to do my 16-8 every single day, and I usually break that with a little thing of chia overnight oats or oatless overnight oats, whatever you want to call it. I have been posting those on my Instagram, so make sure you follow me so that you can get all the updates, the little goodies that I make and eat. With doing the fasting, I am obviously keto and have been doing pretty well. I must admit that I'm a sucker for French fries. Like, I don't know what it is about them, but they're just so good. So I have been messing up a little bit for the past 2 weekends. Saturdays only, I have been getting French fries from Five Guys or In-N-Out. That is the two places that I got them from this past weekend, the weekend before. I know, so bad. I know, I told you guys to be good, and even I wasn't that good. So I'm human too. It's not that easy sometimes, but keep on going, stick to it, work at it, do better next time, and it is what it is, because you still have gains, you still have losses. You see that I have still changed even by eating French fries twice, and I have had a Truly here and there, which they do bloat me. Even currently right now, I decided to make fathead dough, and I am currently waiting for said dough to be fully processed, and we're just gonna leave it at that. In other words, your weight's gonna go up and down, your body's gonna change. That's why today my stomach doesn't look as flat as it normally does, because I'm a little bloated and I'm eating, and it's the end of the day, so I can't expect too much. All I know is that keto works. Keep going. Walking works, lifting weights works, and we have to keep doing it. For my exercises, guys, that I do walk at least, I want to say maybe 3 miles. I try to do it 4 times a week. This week I'm trying to do it all 5 days, Monday through Friday. We'll see how that goes. We're on day 2 now. I finished it today, 3.5 miles. Yeah. The days that I walk to, and it's a brisk walk, it's not some little pansy ass walk. It's like you are sweating, you are pumping, you are listening to that music pound in your ears, and you are walking with that beat. So get to moving. And then I come home and I do lift weights. I do my kettlebell. Sorry, I have hair in my eyes, guys. I do my kettlebell, which is 10 pounds, and I have two pair of dumbbells that are 15 pounds. And so I do my arms, my back, I do core, I do my legs, squats, deadlifts, good mornings. You know, I switch it up. I do all of that. So make sure that I hit, you know, everywhere. Because you can tell that it's coming along, you know, quite nicely. I still have the back fat to get rid of, and the arms are still, you know, jiggly and not the best, and this is still there, but you can definitely see a difference, and I am completely thrilled with it for the month of February. Now for March, we are going to kick that shit up because we have to. March, April, May, June. We got 2 months, 2 full months before it's officially summer. So we have to get this shit going. So to kick it up a notch in March, I'm going to do my best to do the keto diet for the whole month with as few fats as possible, because here's my thinking. Here's my thinking, guys. Okay, hold on. And damn, I did this whole video with no chapstick. That's all bad. I heard that when you're doing keto, obviously it burns the fat to give you the energy. But if you have fat on you, that's what you want to burn. You don't want your body to burn the fat that you're ingesting. You want it to burn the fat that's on your body. Hence, you know, getting the figure, looking good, fat burning diet, you know? Got it? All right. Also, for the month of March, I am going to wear my waist trainer every single day. All right. So before you guys tear me a new a-hole over this, let me just clarify. I meant that I'm not going to do dairy fats. So no cheese, butter, sour cream, heavy cream, anything like that. Also, for the next part is my waist trainer. I'm doing it for probably 3 hours at least a day, not crazy to, you know, mess up my organs or anything like that. I don't want you guys to think that I'm, you know, messing with my body. If you don't like the fact that I'm wearing a waist trainer, that's okay. That's your opinion. This is just my thoughts on it and my body and my opinion and what I want to do with it, and I want to test this out. So I'm gonna do it for, I don't want to give you an estimated hours, but I'm gonna make sure I wear it every single day so that I can get the effect that I'm looking for. And we'll see how it works out and see how it goes, and I will give you guys the results for that too. And I will see you guys in the next one. Keep it up. Don't lose focus. Don't lose hope. Stay motivated. Stay your ass in the gym or at home. Do those workouts. Eating well on keto or low carb, 1 meal a day, intermittent fasting, whatever you're doing, keep it healthy. Drink your water, take your vitamins, and get good sleep, guys. I'll see you in the next one.